Alright, we're going up. Let's try this again, bro. Let's try this again. Let's do my revolver. What? Good luck! What? No. Please go through. Okay. We're starting. Nope. There's no war dog, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, let's see if it's good.
The live event's so amazing, right?
Oh! No.
You say
Really?
no, crush everybody's body after I find you.
Is there... I don't think that's the code, bro. Okay. What? Yo, what's so sick? Yo, it looks so sick. Yo, it looks so sick, bro. Bro, it looks so decent, bro. Oh my god. No, bro, I just duplicated this thing, bro. By the way, I'm in a public server. Like, I'm in a public server. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, it's higher public server. I just want to be in a public server. To dupe. Yo, guys, they're going to duplicate it. Guys, they're going to duplicate it. Yo, we're going to duplicate it. Yo, look, I got tiny. Yo, bro, I got tiny.
I know, I saw that.
I know you're trying to do.
I'm ready.
Come on.
You want this?
Are you really kidding me, bro?
Did you want this?
I'm always 2 steps ahead. Wait, no!
Oh,
Sir, stand
man.
still! There's a bomb in you! I can get it out!
Oh my god.
Oh, you're red watch now! I'm sorry, but I didn't want to do that, sir!
Completed!
Let me get my daily.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I just duplicated it. Bro. Well, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Peace. Bruh. Do what I'm doing? Please. Okay, we're gonna make this. Now wait. Now? Wait a minute. Wait, what? Wait. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more duplicating.